Hello guys, Windows could not search for new updates and error occurred while checking the new updates for your computer. If Windows Update cannot search for updates, your proxy server may be blocking the connection. Always you should ensure you have a stable internet connection before checking for updates to prevent download interruption. And to fix this type of error code in Windows 11 and Windows 10, the first workaround is run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Open Windows settings, under system settings, from the right side choose troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows Update troubleshooters. Let the window complete the process. It will not only detect the issues, also resolve the issue accordingly, detecting additional problems, and Windows will find any issues. And do we for fix problems? Click on yes. The next workaround is restart the Windows Update services. Go to Windows search, type services, and open services app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. In services windows, look for Windows Update service. Scroll down and you will find the option Windows Update services. Right click on it and choose restart. Also apply a double click on it. Go to a startup type section and select automatic startup type and choose apply and then OK button to save the changes. Thereafter, in the same window, restart the background intelligent transfer service BITS. Right click on it and start BITS services. Also apply a double click on it and set a startup type as automatic. Finally click on apply and then OK button to save the changes. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows settings, go to network and internet section, proxy, and disable the proxy setups. Turn off the toggle button against automatically detect settings. The next workaround is reset Windows Update components. Type cmd in Windows search and open command prompt Windows as administrator board, and here execute the commands as shown on screen. All these commands path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. First execute one by one these 4 commands, followed by enter key. Copy one by one these commands and paste it in command prompt Windows. Thereafter choose these 2 commands, 3 commands. Thereafter these 3 commands. Thereafter these 2 commands. You should ensure all commands should be followed by enter key on each times. And further find last, which you have stopped earlier, net stop bits. Now we will start. Execute all this command to reset Windows Update components and it will definitely resolve your issue. That's all.